Most people think they understand critical thinking, but very few people actually know how to apply it. Critical thinking is not about being skeptical of everything. It's about understanding how arguments are constructed, where assumptions are made, and whether conclusions actually follow. And most people never learn how to do that in practice. They inherit beliefs. They follow narratives. And more often than not, they are led in the wrong direction. This channel exists to change that. At Critical Thinking Lab, we break down real arguments, real claims, and real narratives that are pushed every day. Not to tell you what to think, but to show you how to think. We analyze them step by step. We identify flawed reasoning. We question assumptions. And over time, you build the ability to do this on your own with anything you encounter in life. Bitcoin is one of the main areas we focus on, not because it's the only important topic, but because it's one of the most misunderstood. It's a technology surrounded by fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And much of that comes from people and institutions that benefit from maintaining the current system. When billions of dollars are at stake, narratives matter. And those narratives don't always serve the everyday person. If you don't know how to think clearly, you will be influenced by them. You will panic in volatility. You will follow the crowd. And you will make decisions based on emotion instead of reasoning. This channel helps you avoid that. It helps you build conviction based on understanding. Before launching publicly, this platform is being built with intention. We are creating a foundation of content that reflects a clear mission, a clear process, and a clear standard. We will only promote a small number of products that we personally use and genuinely believe in. No hype. No narratives driven by profit. No promoting tools that don't align with the mission. Because trust is not something we trade, it's something we build. This is not just another crypto channel. This is a system for learning how to think clearly in a world full of noise. If you can think clearly, you can make better decisions. And that applies to Bitcoin, finance, and every major decision in your life. Welcome to Critical Thinking Lab.